Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to show only prepaid options when someone selects same day delivery shipping method. Right? For example, for particularly for this store, so I'm selecting a product to check out. So I'm selecting to India. If I fill a test address, you can see for this particular store there is two type of delivery. One is fast shipping and another is standard shipping. For fast shipping, it will deliver on the same day, right? So, and if you select fast shipping also, cash on delivery is available. So we hide cash on delivery for fast shipping and only prepaid pay methods will be there. So for this, we're using the Next Rules app from Shopify App Store. You can also install it from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. After installing the app, you can open the app. So we call it its Payfront in the Shopify admin, and you create a new payment rule. So we are giving it show prepaid option only for same day delivery, or we can give it the shipping method as fast shipping. So first condition is if the shipping method name which contains can just give fast, right? Then we'll hide the payment method which is cash on delivery, right? That works, right? When it's same day delivery or fast shipping, we hide the cash on delivery payment method. Then we can only see the prepaid options. So we are saving it and we are making it saved. Now, if we go to your checkout and you can see it's available, but if you reload it, you can see when you select fast shipping, only credit card and Paytm, which both of them are prepaid payment methods. But once you select the standard shipping, you can see cash on delivery is also available. So this is how you can maximize your fast shipping with low returns, right? So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. I also attached the app link in the description of this video. Thank you.